GEVO stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Jivu Incorporated sitting at 278 and the price is just delivering like crazy. Absolutely love it. Like it's 20% up if you in case you can't tell. But I've done again 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. And just observing this, here's the proof of me calling things out beforehand. Here's how the video looked like. The time was made like it was like 4 p.m. and it just kept delivering. I mean, I have like pretty much nothing else to say other than we're so close to the higher time frame TP, which is like targets, which is at 339, just some previous highs. But yeah, if I want to take advantage of that in this case, I would obviously still need the retracements in order for me to double down on this buy. So that's how GEVO looks like. So this is not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.